everybody. My name is Iris. My name is Hebe. Today we will tell you a story. Lucky Money, Lucky Money. Chinese New Year Eve, parents give their children lucky money in red envelope. Bunny was inside her red envelope and $50. She is very happy. She wants to buy something special with her lucky money. And then Bunny sees a girl in a fresh pair of boots, and she likes them a lot. She goes to shoe shop and finds the boots. When she looks at the price tag, she can't believe it. Her eyes, they cost $50. She leaves the shop. A little girl comes up to her. Money was a poor little girl. She buys some bread, a pair of socks, and a pair of shoes with her lucky money. She gives them to the little girl. She feels that it's the best New Year she's ever had. Thank you, teacher.